We'll be taxiing for a few moments. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, baggage stowed until we're apart at the gate, and the captain has turned off the fancy seatbelt sign. At this time, you are welcome to use your cell phones. Before deplaning, please check around your seats for any personal belongings you may have brought on board. Be careful when opening the overhead bins, as articles have a tendency to move during the flight. On behalf of everyone here at JetBlue Airways, thank you for flying with us, and we look forward to seeing you in another JetBlue flight. If you have any checked bags with us today, you may claim those at carousel number 4. Once again, carousel number 4 for checked bags.